I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and yes, this is the second video today. J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Tammy Polly and I had planned for months to do our cat video on this date. Don't miss those. We've worked hard on them. We're already talking about Valentine's. Actually, we already have Valentine's straightened out and decided what we're doing. But Elyse Explosion came up with a challenge for today, her birthday. So when you go by her channel, be sure and wish her a happy birthday, to show creepy dolls. I have a few. I have my creepy clown. A lot of people think troll dolls are creepy. I don't. I love those simple dolls. But these are not the dolls I was going to show you today. Let me show you the girl I brought out. She is almost as old as I am, and I have had her since the day she came out of the box. This is a Patty Playpal, the one that I had. Yes, I played with her a lot. Poor doll's been through a lot. I've started to restore her, but I don't know. I keep stopping and thinking, kind of like her the way she is. She and I have a lot of miles together. Not only did I play with her as a child, my mother saved my clothes. In fact, I still have them from when I was this size for her. And I actually saved some of my son's clothes, t-shirts, jeans, and moccasins, so that she could wear those. I used to have her in parades with us years ago when we used to do all the parades. Anyway, Elyse, this is my creepy doll. Happy birthday. We will leave your link below, and thank you for the challenge. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.